Hello, welcome to SuccessTrack TV. I'm TJ, and I'm so happy that you found my channel. Today, we'll be focusing on how to end procrastination and make the most of our time. But before we begin and get into this video, make sure to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to get notified of our new videos. Then leave a comment below this video saying I've subscribed, and I'll try my best to reply to as many comments as possible. Let's get started. Procrastination is a common problem that affects many of us. It can lead to stress, missed deadlines, and a lack of productivity. The good news is that with time management, we can overcome it. Time management is like a superhero's power. It can save you from the evil villain of procrastination. With the ability to plan and prioritize, you can defeat the urge to put things off until later. Imagine you have a big project due tomorrow and you're feeling the pressure to get it done. But instead of starting right away, you find yourself scrolling through social media, watching TV, or doing anything else to avoid getting to work. This is where time management comes in to save the day. By setting aside specific blocks of time to work on the project, breaking it down into smaller tasks, you can tackle it one step at a time. This way, you'll be able to see progress and feel a sense of accomplishment as you check off each task. But procrastination doesn't just come in the form of big projects. It can also sneak up on everyday tasks like doing the dishes or making your bed. Try the 2-minute rule to deal with this. If something can be done in less than 2 minutes, do it right away. This will keep little jobs from piling up and becoming too much. So, put on your cape and mask and become the time management superhero you always knew you could be. With the power of planning and prioritizing, you can defeat procrastination and get things done. One last thing before you leave. If you liked this video and found it helpful, make sure to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to get notified of our new videos. Then leave a comment below to share your thoughts, and I'll do my best to reply to as many comments as I can. Also, make sure to watch the next video that's coming up. Thanks for visiting SuccessTrack TV.